Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. A while back Alice Bratton, I don't know if I pronounced that right, asked for a recipe for spicy snack nuts. This is a little bit different, but it's also really delicious. It's kind of healthy because it's made in the oven. You can also make it in a pan if you don't have an oven. The recipe is basically the same, you just have to fry it and keep an eye on it a little bit more than in the oven. But you'll have your roasted chickpeas. So I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1 can of chickpeas, or if you want more chickpeas, you take more cans. That's logical. Paprika powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and of course a trusted bottle of olive oil. And again, you can always change up the spices the way you like. I just like it like this, but you can also leave things out, add other things. Go crazy and experiment away with this recipe. So first of all, drain the chickpeas. Then place your chickpeas on some kitchen paper and then dry them off with some kitchen paper. Once you dried off your chickpeas, transfer them to a baking tray covered with baking paper. Once you did that, just sprinkle some olive oil over the chickpeas. Just enough to cover them. Give them a good rub that every chickpea is covered with olive oil. After that, just season it with some paprika powder, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and of course with some pepper, and finally some salt. And now just give it a final mix that everything is nice and coated. Maybe just a little bit more paprika powder. Final mix. Look at my hand. Delicious. Alright, now just preheat your oven to about 200 degrees Celsius and place in your chickpeas for about half an hour. Okay. Do make sure to turn them around 2 or 3 times. And now let's wait for 30 minutes. So 10 minutes in and they're coming along really nice. I'm just going to give them a little bit of a toss. So after half an hour, transfer your chickpeas onto some kitchen paper. Just spread them out a bit and let the oil drain. And there you have it, your own very deliciously roasted chickpeas. Time for a taste test. Crunchy. Sausage. Want to say hi to the camera? Sausage! No. As I said earlier, they're pretty crunchy and actually quite delicious. A little bit spicy because of the cayenne pepper, but that's okay, I like it. It's a really healthy alternative to the usual snack nuts like the salty peanuts or the coated peanut. And it's done in no time. And you can make quite a lot of this and like just make it for a party or just make it for yourself and stretch it out over a couple of nights. I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, you can always leave a like or just write a comment in our comment section below. We really appreciate all of the support, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye. And then just dry them off with some kitchen paper. With some kitchen paper. And shout as loud as possible into the microphone.